Friends, today we are going to study some basic concepts related with binary number system. Now, there are different number of systems used in our day-to-day life. These number systems are decimal number system, decimal number system. So, in this number system, we are using 10 symbols 0 through 9. So, any number in this number system is a group of these 10 symbols. You cannot use any other symbol different than these 10 symbols. As we are using 10 basic symbols to define any number in decimal number system, the base of this number system or radix is 10. Radix of this number system is 10. Now, the another number system that is used in computers or microprocessor is binary number system. So, in this system, we are using only two symbols, that is 0 and 1. 0 and 1. We see more details of the binary number system later on in this discussion. The next number system that is used in computers is octal number system. So, in this number system, 8 symbols 0 through 7. These 8 symbols are used to define any number. Therefore, the radix of this number system is 8. Now, there is one more number system, that is hexadecimal number system. So, in this number system, 16 symbols are used. 16 symbols. And these 16 symbols are 0 through 9. Then 10 is represented by A. Then B, C, D, E, and F. So, in all, 0 through 9, these are 10 symbols or 10 characters, and these are 6. So, in all, 6 symbols are used in this hexadecimal number system. So, in hexadecimal number system, any number can be represented by using the group or combination of these 16 numbers or 16 characters or 16 symbols. For example, this is the number in hexadecimal, 9FB. 9FB. So, this is a valid hexadecimal number. If you write the number like this way, 89 in octal, octal number system, there are only 8 symbols 0 through 7, and here you are writing 89. So, this is not a valid octal number, because 8 and 9 are not the codes or characters or symbols used in octal number system. So, this is not a valid octal number, but this is a valid decimal number. This is valid decimal number, because in decimal number systems, we can use the characters or symbols 0 through 9. Similarly, if you consider the example like this, 0101. So, this is a valid binary number. This is valid binary number. This is hexadecimal. This is a valid binary number. But if you write number like this, 0213, this is not a valid binary number, because 2 and 3 are not the symbols used in binary language. So in binary language, we are using only 0 and 1. So 2 and 3 are not the valid symbols used in binary number system. So you have to take care when you are defining numbers in a particular number system. So when you are using a particular number system, you have to use only those symbols allowed in that number system. Otherwise, it is invalid. So these three are mostly used in computers: binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Particularly, this hexadecimal number system is used in microprocessors or microcontrollers. Now, let us see binary number system in more detail. So, in binary number system, as we have seen that only two symbols, 0 and 1, are used. So, the radix of this binary number system is 2, or base of this number system is 2, because we are using only two symbols, 0 and 1. So, the 0 and 1 are called as binary digits. Binary digits. And this is abbreviated as bits. This is abbreviated as bits. So, we take bi from binary and ts from digits. So, in this way, we abbreviated the binary digits as bits. So, henceafter I use the word bits means the digits 0 and 1, because 0 and 1 are the binary digits, and this is abbreviated as bits. Now, if we consider group of 4 bits, then it is called as a nibble. It is called as nibble. If I use group of 8 bits, then it is called as a byte. It is called as a byte. Usually, the word length of microprocessor or word length of a computer is expressed in byte or bits. If we consider 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes is called as 1 kilobyte. 1 kilobyte, or it is written as 1 KB. Similarly, if we consider 1024 kilobytes, it is called as 1 megabyte. 1 megabyte, or written as 1 MB. Similarly, we write 1024 MB, megabytes. That is called as 1 GB. So these are the terminology used in computers. The memory of the computer is expressed as 1 KB, 1 GB, or nowadays the TB, terabyte. It is called as terabyte.